yeah, I suck at this, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Dude. I got goosebumps, dude. I'm so excited to shoot this right now.
We're doing some stuff today. Making some custom tires. BF Goodrich all-terrains. Kind of thinking, you know what? Those letters on these drag radios are kind of messed up. So we just wiped them off. We're gonna make some new ones. But we're not making fake BF Goodrich drag radials. We're making our own. And they're better. What you got going on over there?
Oh, you know, just some little sneeze. I said, break it up, what's it?
Interesting note. We weighed that wheel and one of those. The Hoosiers with the welds weigh 47 pounds and the Hoosier DR2s on the 18-inch GMC wheels like 56. So there's a 12-pound difference between the two, which is honestly not as much as I was expecting, but it's still a decent chunk of rolling mass. This thing makes so much power, it's not gonna care. Also, Cooper Spaghetti shirt's pretty awesome. What you looking at, dog?
He's still filming.
What?
He's still filming?
Yeah.
I'm trying to be nice and be quiet, yo.
Oh, well, go ahead, do your thing. Cool! Listen to what?
Oh, what's that? Never mind.
Oh, I guess we gotta divulge some information here. I gotta stop filming. Cole Reynolds, go subscribe to him. And don't ask me about a link because I can't do it because he doesn't have 1,000 subscribers. Use the search function, use your brain, type it in, find him in the comments. If he's smart, he'll make a bunch of comments and reply to a bunch of people so he's easier to find.
I'll do that.
Yeah, same. Adrian's always up in the comments. You can find him too.
I'm halfway there, so 500 more people, we can start putting my link in there.
Yeah. Adrian Berry Hill.
My comment will be probably the second one down on this video.
Most likely.
Pin it.
Well, let's go here. I'm gonna cut this out. This little Cricut thingy is like probably the best thing I ever bought. Oh no,
Whoa.
no, no.
Get back. She did the same thing at Lou's the other day. Come here. Come here.
You can make some 777 stuff for the walls, and John would really like that. What did I just walk in on here?
Just trying to keep her from attacking the vinyl cutter.
I think that sizing's gonna be pretty good. We will separate it and see. All right, Cole, you stay there and work.
For sure. Stay.
He's committed. Committed to winning.
Committed to winning.
I like Cole, because he's like the same age that I was when I started doing stuff. And he wants to do stuff. He is doing stuff. He's turned it up a lot, even just since he's been hanging around here. Can't say Alice didn't do anything. She brought us Cole.
It's true.
Let's get this separated. Now, if I really wanted to like get fancy, I would kind of like weed this and put it on transfer paper and then stick it to the tire, but I really don't think that that level of precision is necessary here because I can just do this. Oh, this is perfect.
That's where the old one was.
Dude.
All right, that's perfect. That is perfect.
No.
Need some tweezers. You need the D too. You always want to give them the D. Give them the D.
I didn't think it was going to stick this well.
Well, I did just clean it with a whole bunch of brake clean. We need some of that painter's tape. The masking tape, not painter's tape. Okay, Dale, let's see your paint skills.
Odd scenario here, so I wouldn't really, you know, yeah, I suck at this. But we're going to do it anyway. Okay.
All right, I'd let it tech for a second. Really speed it up if you had a heat gun.
There's got to be a heat. There's a little IR heater thing over there. Go get it, Dale.
Be very, very quiet. Wheel hatching tires. Don't let it get too cold or the eggs will die. I won't. I'm a good mama.
Oh, did you glass it over real nice?
Oh yeah, it's super shiny.
All right.
No,
I got the big old fatty one ready to go here.
So I had it hanging on the back of the cart right here, but it's a little too low. It's pretty close. Still tacky, but
Suck it, Cole. We take this off.
okay, boys, it's the grand reveal. I'm pretty excited, I'm not gonna lie. I did 3 coats. Well, Mitchell did the first coat real light, just kind of dusted it on. And then I put it under the heat lamp. And then once it was a little tacky.
Do you think it's enough? Looking at the light here, the top of the MF looks like it might be a little light.
I mean, we can do more. We can do another coat. That's 3 solid coats, so.
No, actually, yeah. What do you think?
I think it's good to go, man.
All right, let's rip it off.
Real slow like.
Very first MF Hood Rich Big Ole Fatty. God, it looks so freaking perfect.
Yep.
It's okay. Bro. Oh my God, it looks factory. Dude. Dude.
I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh.
This is the kind of dumb creative stuff that gets me super pumped.
You want to say that again after you hit puberty? It's okay, I do it all the time. See, I have one little right there. All right, where's that X-Acto knife? It looks so good.
It looks freaking factory. It looks better than the Hoosier did that came off of there.
I'm so glad I just started taking the old letters off.
Yeah.
I just did it. I didn't even ask you. I just did it.
I'm glad you did too. So money. Wait, let's roll it up and mock it up on a hub.
You don't want to do the Big Ole Fattys yet? Let's do the Big Ole Fattys and then do it.
Okay. Okay, delayed gratification. I'm gonna pull this off, stick it
They'll
on there.
get instant gratification.
Yeah, they will. You will get the instant gratification. I have to work for it for your sake. So you should subscribe because I'm really taking one for the team here. So we got the other side on. I'll cut out the other 4 or the other 3 of each of these. Then we can start laying them out, yeah. Then the next 3 we can do in quantity, like an assembly line.
Bet you didn't think I was gonna set up a paint shop in here, did you, Dad? It's for the paint skills. I'm using it to write funny things on tires.
I wonder what the BFG guys are gonna say about this.
I don't know. Maybe they'll make a Big Ole Fatty line.
Maybe.
Maybe they'll start making drag radials again.
Maybe they'll start making drag radials.
Make drag radials great again.
And they'll call them Big Ole Fatties.
Make Big Ole Fatties great again.
BFG, Big Ole Fatty.
Big Ole Fatties. Both of them. Both of them.
Man, that looks so good. I just look at it and I feel that. I get that like dopamine hit in my gut of just the satisfaction when I look at that.
You know how people, I don't know if we should do that since it's, people will color these in white.
Yeah.
But since it's
I like that,
just by itself.
MFH doesn't do that.
They don't.
If BFG doesn't do it, MFH doesn't do it.
We should go through the mud in these. Wow, the look on your face is priceless. I forgot you hate dirt and mud. We should go put it on a circle track. There's a circle track over by Emily's house.
I do like that.
Oh my gosh, dude.
We can take the other side of these tires and make them yellow with bigger letters and plastic the wheels black.
Or, hear me out, what if we called up Hoosier and was like, hey, send us some dirt tires. The only thing is I don't know if they make them anything but a 15 or 16.
You gonna clean this thing?
Yeah.
When it's done?
Yeah.
Well, then maybe.
It won't get that dirty. It's not mud. It's like, we'll go on a Sunday after like a Saturday night race. It's nice and packed down. Sweet. You spray everything with baby oil, man. Go hit the mud. Hit the mud with baby oil. Just go slip.
I'm listening, but I don't know if I'm convinced.
Look, man, dang old blood cricket, come up on the dirt, man. Go turns black. It's just about as grip as asphalt, man. Sometimes you get gumbo. You know what I mean? Gumbo. But don't turn right. Go left. Turn right. Go left. Big old booty out swinging out, man. That'd be cool, man. I don't know. Dang old mud trap.
I do want to do dirt drags with this thing.
That look trash in there.
Oh well, it's a tire. It'll be alright. Story time. I used to spray paint my mini hockey sticks adjacent to my dad's car. It was actually farther away from the quarter panel than that was. But just the way the wind blew and the frequency and quantity which I painted it made his car all like, you could feel it.
Overspray.
Yeah, the overspray. Yeah. And he freaking yelled at me because he's like, oh, I had to take my car, go get clay bar by somebody because you got all that paint on there. You're not allowed to paint here anymore.
See, you knew what a clay bar was a long time ago.
I did, yeah. Did I still paint next to his car?
Yup.
Yeah, just not when he was around.
Yup. You want to just do 2 coats on it. 3 coats might be too thick.
I think the thick is good.
You think?
Yeah.
I'm hoping it might not. It might crack off. What is this anyway? Automotive enamel. Yeah, you don't want it to be super dry and cured.
Man, that's so satisfying to watch that. Big Ole Fatty.
All I've ever wanted in life was a set of Big Ole Fattys.
The world's first MF Hoodrich Big Ole Fatty is about to get mocked up.
Oh, it's so good rolling, dude. I brought it to the wrong side.
That's so real looking. I can't even deal with this. It hurt.
Fall.
Yeah, I don't want to.
It's still slightly tacky.
Oh, so it's lined up with the letters. Okay, I get it now.
I think you're OCD. Is that straight?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, right there. Hey man, you ever done this before?
No. How do you do this?
You just do
Are
it.
you sure these are the right look pattern?
No, we just took them off though.
Hey Cole, how strong you feeling today?
I'm feeling pretty good. My back's a little sore.
We're gonna go get a torque wrench tomorrow.
I might have one.
I'm gonna put these on with my little 3/8 Milwaukee. One Ugga Dugga. I think we'll be right there. Might go get that 100-pound torque wrench out.
Got like a full-on assembly line thing going on here. 2 coats seems to be the magic number, so it doesn't peel up.
2 light coats.
2 light coats. Getting the problem on here. It's kind of, yeah. This one's a little messed up here, but I don't know why it's not really sticking to that. Stuck good to the other one. What'd you do, Cole? It's Cole's fault. Actually, nope. Let's blame Cooper. Everything went fine until I put this shirt on. We're just having a terrible day. Blame Cooper. Actually, yeah, definitely blame Cooper. Because if it wasn't for Cooper, I wouldn't have met Streetcar Takeover guys, and I wouldn't be here. So yeah, this is all Cooper's fault. Screw Cooper.
Screw you, Cooper. I don't even know Cooper. Screw you, Cooper.
Just do it.
Where have I heard that before?
Do it! Get up, Cole. Show the people.
Just do it!
Do what?
That.
Did you just do like the fairy tale heel click
I
thing?
think so. It felt cool in my head.
Make your dreams come true.
When did we get ice cream?
What?
When did we get ice cream?
You picked it up in broad daylight and you scratched it. You scratched my CD.
You scratched my CD, you know.
I need to watch that movie again.
All right, so I had a couple of letters that didn't stick on one. And my theory is exactly what I told Stapleton not to do, which was I put it on too wet on the first coat. And there was probably just some residual junk on there. So now I'm going with a very, very light coat, and I just wiped it off with a little brake clean. If I had a new lacquer thinner, that'd probably work better, but I don't. Here we go. I don't know how long this stuff's gonna last, but I'm very pleased with the results. That's how light I'm talking. Big Ole Fatty. So, I'm gonna let this dry for 5 minutes. So this is really just kind of a trial run to see what works, what sticks, what doesn't. If you ain't beaming, you ain't reaming. Shout out to White Diamond for sending us this multi-purpose dressing. I'm gonna take this and do the tires first, see how I like it there. I know it's gonna be good. And after I get done there, I'm gonna do the wheel wells, because I'm getting ready to light paint this thing and I want it to be shining like a white diamond. This white diamond is supposed to be for all kinds of plastics, so I'm gonna give it a shot on this back step right here. I like it. I like it a lot. Wow, look at that. Like a brand new pad. Shout out to White Diamond coming in clutch. It'd be super sweet if we had some microfiber rags, because this is not ideal. You can't tell it on camera, but the color is wild. I'm telling you, if you've never seen this truck in person, you need to come see it. Not here, but at an event. Because I promise you, the color you think it is not the color it is. I've been a professional photographer for like 5 or 6 years now, And I struggle every single time I go to edit this truck because the color is so wacky. My camera just doesn't pick it up. I don't understand what color science is awry with this color, but you need to see it in person. If you're going to be in Austin this weekend, we'll be there until Sunday or Monday. I believe Monday. It's the 1st through the 3rd. I want to put some bull horns on this thing. It'd be real easy to just slip them on, you know. Have a bullhorn right here. It changes the sound a lot. Wish-a-wad, ding dong, wingbat. I'm gonna set this son of a gun down on the ground. Hopefully my lights are all charged up, and I'm gonna light paint it because now it's all slippy dippy shiny, man. I don't know, whatever time it is. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, almost 5. Still haven't been able to break my freaking all-night sleep schedule. I get the shop all to myself to shoot things. Wow, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty excited to shoot this. Hadn't seen it look this good in a long time. Man, those are some big old fatties. Golly. Look at that stance, dude. Just seeing it on the ground. Ooh, I'm pumped up. Oof, oof, I'm pumped up. Might be kind of hard to tell from the video, but when you see this thing rolling down the road from behind, oh, brother, oof, man, I got goosebumps, dude. I'm so excited to shoot this right now. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna go get my lights.